Time check is 2:49. Saan tayo pupunta, mahal? We're going to Quezon Province. Pupunta kami ng Quezon Province kasi birthday bukas ni Kuya Uning. Ayan. God bless sa aming biyahe. Bye-bye. Update kayo mamaya.
Look into my eyes. Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire. Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flag and stick it where you like. I'm reaching higher. Oh, darling, and if you think the planet's grip can hold me back, I am a rocket. There's no way you can stop me if you try. I never felt so free as I do right now.
Hi guys! Ayan, nag-stop over muna kami dito. Ayan. Dahil sumakit na yung balakang ko. Nandito na kami sa Rosario, Candelaria, Quezon Province na po ito. Ayan, yung daan na to. So, papunta kami dito. So, mga ilang oras na lang biyahe natin, mahal? 35 minutes. So, 35 minutes na lang. Nasa Quezon na kami. Ayan. So, stop over muna tayo, guys. Ang ganda. Kaway-kaway ka, mahal. Mahal. Hello. Ganyan.
Oh honey, if you believe in gravity, just watch and learn. I am a rocket, there's no way you could stop me if you tried. I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Better say your au revoir. Baby, I was made for the stars.
Hey! At sa wakas, nandito na rin kami sa Quezon Province. So, ayan. Dito muna kami sa guys. Ito ay bilihan ng mga isda na napakasariwa. Bagong huli, pwede ka ditong pumunta. So, ayan, mayroon naman silang display. Na, alam mo yung sariwang-sariwa na parang ako. Ayan, dyan kayo bibili. Tapos, ito na yung araw na birthday na ni Kuya. Happy birthday! Ayan, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video kasi napagod ako sa biyahe, guys. Pero, sa gabi, syempre, tagay-tagay kami dyan ng mga kumari ko. Ayan, kaya hindi naman ako nalasing. Charot. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Bye-bye!